The Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security, or CARES Act, is a $2 trillion economic relief package that was signed into law on March 27th and designed to mitigate the economic impacts of COVID-19. In this video, we'll explain the Sarasota County CARES Small Business Relief Grant application process to help you get your business on the road to economic recovery. If you have any questions after watching this video, you can reach the Sarasota County CARES call center at 941-861-CARE, Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. That's 941-861-2273. Before starting your application, ensure your business is eligible for the Sarasota County CARES Small Business Relief Grant by visiting scgov.net/CARES and clicking the Business Assistance icon. Now that you've determined your business qualifies, let's go over what expenses the CARES Act covers. Eligible expenses include rent payments, mortgage payments, utilities, payroll expenses, protective equipment, supplies and equipment for social distancing or adapting your business to comply with the CDC's COVID-19 guidelines, COVID-19 test cost, marketing related to reopening your business, and inventory for perishable items related to reopening. All expenditures must have been incurred due to the COVID-19 public health emergency and must not have been accounted for in your approved budget as of March 27, 2020. Payments will only be made for costs incurred during the period that begins on March 1, 2020 and ends on December 30, 2020. Your application will require supporting documentation. Before getting started, visit scgov.net/CARES and click on the Business Assistance icon. Now it's time to begin your application by clicking Apply. Your first step will be creating your account. Click the Register tab on the right of the screen and create a username and appropriately secure password. You will use this each time you log on to Neighborly, the program being used to process your application. You will receive an email to confirm your account. You can then return to the Sign-In tab to proceed with your application. The first section will go over the eligibility requirements that you reviewed before starting. Double check to make sure your business is eligible. You'll click Complete and continue to move on to the application. In Section A, you'll provide your business information. Please ensure you accurately complete all fields. And please note that you will be required to provide supporting documentation in Section E. At the end of each section, you'll have the option to save the information you've entered and to complete and continue to the next section. Remember, you can save your partially complete application and come back to it at any time. In Section B, you'll enter your personal information and, if applicable, co-applicant information. This includes your name, Social Security number, home address, contact phone numbers, and email addresses. Now come the very important sections where you'll describe how COVID-19 has impacted your business. In Section C, you'll tell us in your own words how your business has been affected and if you've already applied or received relief funding. Section D is where you'll enter your expenses. Remember, expenses must have been incurred in the period between March 1, 2020 and December 30, 2020. Again, take your time and enter information carefully and accurately. Your request amount will be automatically totaled. Please note, your total request cannot exceed $20,000. An amount over $20,000 will result in a delay in your application processing. Documentation, such as bills and receipts, will be required for each funding request. Those will be uploaded in Section E. Please read the instructions carefully and upload all required documents, as well as documents to support each funding request from Section D. To add a document, simply click Upload and select a file from your computer. In the final section, Section F, you'll certify all the information you provided is truthful and acknowledge the application review process, as well as Florida's public records laws as they relate to the information you're submitting. Please review each certification carefully. The final step is to digitally sign and date your application and click Complete and Submit. Once your application is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. You can log into Neighborly at any time to check your status. If additional information or documentation is needed, you will be notified via email. You will receive an email notification regarding the approval status of your application. If you have any questions about the application process, please call the Sarasota County CARES call center at 941-861-CARE, Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. through 7 p.m. That's 941-861-2273. Sarasota County government is grateful for your business and wishes you every success in your economic recovery. Your business is an integral part of the local economy, and your recovery is an important step to the future of our community.